Dr. Frank Rudolph has spent his entire life in the search of a very unique process. Let me tell you a little about that process. All the wild races on the earth, the primitive people, have always been familiar with a small experiment. News of that experiment sometimes reaches so-called civilized people as well. Dr. Rudolph has spent his entire life in that, and the result he has reached through his research are very unique, very amazing. It is popular among the primitive people that by making a clay replica of any person, any diseases can be sent to that person. Not only diseases, even his death can be sent to him. Dr. Rudolph Frank has spent 30 years of his life in this research to find out how much truth is there in this. It is possible to make a clay model of a person and send any diseases to him or even his death. With a mind full of doubts and the intellect of a scientist, this man lived among the primitive people of Amazon for years. He got into a big problem because he saw the event happening hundreds of times with his own eyes. Even if that person is thousands of miles away. Then also by making a clay model of him, especially diseases, and even his death can be sent to him. After a year of studies, it was decided that this event happens. But how does it happen? What is the secret behind it? What is the process behind it? Dr. Rudolph has written that the things that I could find out about the process and which I have personally tried are three. First, it is not necessary that the clay statue should exactly like the face of that person. Even making it is difficult. It is extremely difficult. The important thing is not that it should match the face. The important thing is that the face of that person can be established in that clay statue. For example, if someone make a clay statue of you, then even if it is a very big statue, he may able to resemble you, but still he will not be able to resemble you completely. It is not possible. Now, if a normal person makes a statue of you, then it will be just a symbol. It will be just a symbol. It will not be a face. It will not be a hand, head, and feet. It will be just a distance symbol. But Rudolph says that if that person can close his eyes and remember your complete image in his mind and can project it on this clay image, then the image will become active as your image. There is also provision to install it.